Hello and welcome. Today I will be working on a 16 by 20 inch level 2 canvas from Michaels. The pour today is going to be a sunset. Well, I'm going to try to recreate this beautiful sunset that I seen yesterday. And I haven't done a sunset fluid art style, but the colors I know are very light and they need to blend together sort of like in an ombre fashion so that you get that beautiful gradient that you see when the sun sets. I believe this is my first time doing this as well. Like, I don't think I've ever done a sunset. I've tried to recreate a landscape, maybe like the earth in some form or fashion, but I haven't done a sunset before. So this will be interesting. This is my first time, so give me some grace. Well, I'm going to give myself some grace. But I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this video while I get started layering my paints down on the canvas. I'll talk to you again during the wet result. here it is. So you won't see this one dry because I just painted a few minutes ago and I'm gonna post this video in the next couple hours. So tomorrow or the day after, I'll show the dried results. I was really trying to capture the sunset. So earlier in the video, you seen a video of the sunset that I was sort of trying to recreate here. I definitely still need to work on that, but I love the colors. I love that I added the Prussian blue and the vermilion just to add a little bit of contrast since all the colors that I used were really light. So I am going to just keep practicing and keep at working on these fluid acrylic landscapes or sunsets or seascapes, all of those. I seen a really nice picture of the earth, and I don't have any round canvases, but I want to recreate that as well in fluid art style. So stay tuned for my next video. Not really sure what I'm going to paint, but just know it's going to be something beautiful. Thank you for watching.